Hi guys, welcome back to Uzo's Tribe, my YouTube channel where I talk to you about my life, love life, career, faith, scholarships, my life as an international student and everything in between. So today, I'm just going to be telling you guys that are in London, or not even just London, anywhere abroad, how to apply for your international passport. Either you're applying when it's expired or when it's missing or anything, or it was stolen, how to reapply for your international passport. And I'm just going to do that with a video. I'm going to record my screen now. I'm going to show you now exactly how to go about it. Okay, so yes, let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to immigration.gov.ng, okay, and the Nigerian Immigration Service will come up. The next thing you want to do is go to passport, you just click on apply now. So this is just to remind you again if you're applying from within Nigeria, but since we're not applying, this does not apply to us, so we're coming back here. We click on continue. If you want to apply for a fresh passport, you click here and follow the prompt, but I was applying for a renewal or a reissue, so I clicked here. Okay, now to continue, you have to enter your credentials here, your username and password, but I'm just going to sign in with Google, so I'm going to use my Google account and click on continue. Now, hi Rita Okolo, right here they're going to ask you for, the first thing is you must always have your name. So here you're just going to put in your name, and then your date of birth. If you put in the wrong thing, it's not going to open. So I'm going to obviously blur out this part, and then you click on verify. Automatically it brings out your details, okay, and then you click on confirm and continue. But if your name, next thing it will tell you put your current passport number, right? And then the date of birth on your current passport. Okay, so now you can see that it's telling me it does not match because I have already I already have a new passport. So I'm just going to put in my new passport number because now I have a new passport. So let me get that, because it means they've cancelled my old passport now, right? They've cancelled my old passport now and they have given me a new passport. So let's just get right into that. New passport number is okay. So now everything is going to come out and you click continue. So the next thing you want to do is reason for renewal. You pick it, maybe expired, processing country. So where is your passport going to be processed? You put it, how many booklets you want. You pick it as well, then you pick your processing, whatever, and then validity. You pick 10 years. Obviously, they're not allowing me move forward because I don't know, maybe because I recently just did this. Oh yeah, look. So you pick 64 pages, and then validity you pick 10 years, or if it's whatever you want, you do that. Now, the next thing you're going to do is, of course, you have to check appointment availability here. So let's just open this on another tab. And then now let's check. See, the next available date is July. Now I'm doing this video in May. Wow, this is even quick. The next available date is July 2024, right? But trust me, guys, you're gonna get you will not even see this July. Anyway, now that we're here, let's continue. So here you're gonna upload your photo. Next step, since I cannot go past this photo because I don't know if I can be bothered right now to move past this. Anyway, you guys saw the amount over there. Next step, you upload your photo and then you come and give your personal details, your name, your this, your that. Like they will just ask you for personal details over here and all of that. Then contact information, you know, how they can contact you, your address and all of that is what is going to go over here. So your address, your phone number, you know, blah blah blah. Then you're going to also give a next of kin information. You're also going to have like a next of kin information. Yeah, and then here you upload your supporting documents. Okay, so these are the guidelines for the picture apparently. So this is kind of picture they need. All these other ones, all this type, they don't need it. And then here you upload any further documents. What document did I even upload at that time? I don't think maybe my former passport. They asked me to upload it because I said I wanted to renew and it was expired. Then what else? And then when you're done, they'll tell you what to bring with you. Yeah, and then when you finish, you come here and put your application ID, which obviously you're going to get from here. When you finish, you're going to see an application ID. So when you want to book, you come here, put your application ID, blah blah blah, put the reference number, click on next, and then here they'll show you all the available appointment slots for the year. You put in your appointment slots and then you go to complete, and that's literally it, guys. That's it. Guys, sorry, because I've already applied, apparently I don't want to create like a double database or whatever, so I didn't continue. But after all of that, it's just going to prompt you. It's a very simple process. Everything is straightforward. Just fill in, keep moving from one part of the form to another until you get to the very end, okay? And then you go to the appointment link that I showed you and book your appointment. Hopefully it won't be 4 months, because when I booked this thing in January, first or second week of January, and my capture date was like first week of May. My friend booked in February and her capture date is in June. So for some people, they have people that, you know, can help them move the date forward. But me, I like to do my things as straightforward as possible so that I know the system. So that's what I did. I did it straightforward and I got a date in May and I captured. And guys, I kid you not, I captured on Friday, the 3rd of May, I think. Yes, the 3rd of May. And in 6 days, my passport was mailed to me. So it was so quick. It was quicker than I expected. Maybe not so quick judging by other first world standards, but it was way quicker than I expected, you know, from the Nigerian embassy. And when you go to the embassy, I'm going to put a video right here from when I went to the embassy. Yep, Nigerian embassy. Guys, I came to do my passport. I'm literally just at the Nigerian embassy at the moment. And I'm leaving now. I did not take a picture when I was coming, but I'm leaving. It was so chill. I'm also going to put the address of the embassy so that you know. It was so chill. It wasn't stressful. You know, everything was organized. They tell you, oh, go here, go there. It's time for you to do this, time for you to do that. So it wasn't stressful at all. In 2 hours, 15 minutes thereabouts, I was out of the embassy, you know, and I went home. It was very hassle-free for me. And finally, just so you know, they're going to ask you to bring a couple of things. So, and the documents you're going to be asked, you know, to bring, everything will be listed on your form. So when you're done applying, your application form is going to be there. But what you should know that you're going to the embassy with, you're going to the embassy with the application form that you filled online. You're going to print that out. You're going to print your appointment slip online. So when you book your appointment, you're going to be emailed an appointment slip, or you're going to see an appointment slip on the site there. Please download it and keep it. Print it out. You're going to take it out as well to the embassy with you, to the Nigerian Commission rather, and then not the Nigerian High Commission, and then also you're going to take the receipt of payment. So these are the 3 major documents that you must have with you no matter what. Your receipt of payments, the application form you filled online, and your appointment slip. And finally, you must have your passport. So if you're renewing, you must have your passport. If you're not renewing, obviously you don't have to come with a passport. You must have your passport with you. Okay, so these 4 things, make sure you take it to the embassy. Then also make sure you have your NIN, guys. If you don't already have your NIN number, because I did not have the slip here in London, but I have my NIN number. It's already verified. It has been verified since I was in Nigeria. I also went to my NIN. So you must also have your NIN number at least, even if you don't have the slip, and it must be verified. That means you must be verified on their database. You must be on their site. Okay, your details must come out when they check with your NIN number. And then, yes, before I forget, before you go to the embassy, guys, please go to any post office near you and make out a postal order addressed to the Nigerian High Commission. Do you understand? It's a £20 postal order. So go to any post office near you. These are the major things you want to make sure you have. Your postal order, they will ask you a C4 envelope. You have to also buy a C4 envelope, a C4 special envelope, because that's what they will use to mail your passport back to you. So a postal order of £20 addressed to the Nigerian Commission, a C4 envelope, appointment slip, the application form, and your receipt of payment, then your passport. These 6 things, have it. Every other thing, it depends. Like if you're doing for a minor, they will tell you to bring date of birth certificate and all of that, parental, blah blah blah. If it's lost, you might want to bring a police report. Every other thing, but your documents that you're supposed to come with will be listed for you, you know, on the application form slip. They'll tell you everything you need to bring with you to the embassy. Lastly, go early. When I went by 11, my appointment was for 11. I went by 10:45. I was number 307, guys. Go early. It is first come, first serve. They don't used to do by appointment number, kind of, I think. So just go early. Remember, everything I'm saying here is my own experience. So that you not go and experience something different and say Rita said rubbish to you. Everything I'm saying here is my own experience. Go on time. If you go by 8, obviously they will give you number 1. It's the person they are saying that they will attend to. So go very early so that you do your thing and get out. Alright guys, I hope this video was very helpful. I hope you loved it. If my videos are helpful, please now subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.